Hey everyone, welcome back to SD Finance, and I'm breaking down the cryptocurrency market for the next 30 days. With extreme fear gripping the markets and major macro events ahead, this is critical if you are holding or trading crypto. By the end of this video, I will make clear what is driving prices and what to expect in early April. The market is in extreme fear with the Fear and Greed Index at just 14 out of 100. Three major factors are shaping this outlook. First, the Federal Reserve interest rate decision on March 18th will historically dictate liquidity into risk assets like crypto. Second, the Iran-Israel tensions and the closure of the Strait of Hormuz have pushed oil higher, creating inflation concerns that could affect markets for the next 4 to 5 weeks. Third, the Clarity Act review in March could define whether digital assets are commodities or securities and would massively affect institutional capital allocation into crypto. Bitcoin is at roughly $67,970 right now. My conservative forecast shows Bitcoin reaching about $68,245 by early April. However, April averages suggest a much more optimistic target, near $108,258, as traders price in a strong Q2. On the technical side, short-term 4-hour charts show bearish pressure, while weekly charts remain bullish with strong support. The key resistance to watch is $70,000, because a break above that could trigger a stronger rally toward the $108,000 target. Altcoins are under heavy pressure with 38% trading near cycle lows and liquidity concentrated in Bitcoin. Solana is showing strong bearish signals with 20 technical indicators suggesting sell, and it could drop roughly 23% to about $64.87 by early April. Cardano is volatile due to the protocol V11 hard fork and the midnight privacy sidechain launching in March, and whales have been accumulating despite a recent $540 million whale sell-off that halted momentum. Polkadot will move significantly on March 12th when it updates its economic framework, capping total supply at 2.1 billion DOT and introducing a new dynamic allocation pool. Mantra is rebranding and doing a 1-to-4 token split, increasing max supply to 10 billion tokens, which often creates volatility. Key dates to watch include March 12th for Polkadot, March 18th for the Federal Reserve decision, March for the Cardano hard fork and the Clarity Act review, in late March for the DC Blockchain Summit and the Digital Assets Summit in New York. The next 30 days are critical because extreme fear creates opportunity while macro risks remain real. Bitcoin looks promising if it breaks $70,000 resistance, while altcoins appear to be in deep weakness. Monitor the Fed decision and the Clarity Act closely because they will determine institutional interest in crypto. If you found this breakdown valuable, please like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments whether you are bullish or bearish for Q2. Thanks for watching.